I want to show you the easy way how you can upgrading your Tubebuddy account by using cracking way. No payments required. Make sure you're watching my video from the beginning to end. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. So first you need to log in to your account. You need to open your YouTube studio, even if you are using your Tubebuddy plugin. As you see to my page here, I already linked it to my Tubebuddy account. So after logging to your Android studio, just come to this section and searching for this. Drop down to the website tool. In this website tool, click on your health report. Click on it. Health report will take you directly to the status of your account or of your channel. As you see here, it says, sorry, in order to view your channel health report, you must upgrade the license. So as you see, my account is not upgraded and I don't have a license for this tool. So what to upgrade this and how? Please go to your profile here. Click on profile. We'll take you to another page here. As you see is my contact information. Drop down here, you'll see the option say permanent delete my account. Click on it and then apply yes, delete my account, and then apply on OK. The account is being successfully deleted. So what to do is to come back again here and you go to uninstall your plug. Please click on remove your plug from the Chrome and then click on remove to apply. So the extension will be removed, and then go back to your Google section here, type Tubebuddy extension for Chrome because I'm using Google Chrome, and then drop down here, click on Tubebuddy. We'll ask you to download the extension here. Click on add extension and then click here. Wait for a couple of seconds. The download will be completed and you can able to install again your extension. As you see here, it's now downloaded. You're supposed to wait. After installation complete, this will take you to the little link of the Tubebuddy account and will show you if you are succeed or not. Okay, the download is complete. As you see here, the extension is added to my Chrome. As you see here, up of my site. If you need to pin it, please you need to right click here. Please and click in this side and then choose this pin. Click on this pin. The Tubebuddy will pin the up of this site. So if you need to upgrade this into Pro, as you see, let's go to my account and I want to see if my account is now Pro or is now free. So I'm gonna refresh my account to see what the status appear to my site. As you see here, it says Tubebuddy required here. So you're supposed to click on it and sign in with YouTube. Remember, we have a previous account and we deleted it, so we needed to upgrading to another site. So we are going to log into my account. That's I'll link it to my channel. Click again. If your account needs verifications, you may do so. So click on allow. Okay, it's take me again to my Creator Studio to make sure that I complete this. And here we are now successful to install it perfectly. And then come back again to this section. And then we needed to upgrade. They say status is upgraded now. Upgrade now. If it say upgrade now means it's in free version. So let's go to the here up to the sides too, and click on your channel health. It's needed to upgrade. So you see to my account is say good news. You can upgrade it into a this day. So click on pro or free trial, and then for a few seconds you will see your notification. You will change it from the free to the lessons, and it say you are now pro. Let's go and check if we succeed. Let's upgrading this and refreshing our page. Okay, let's go and watch into this how the status appear. As you see here, the license, it say license is pro, but cannot say license being premium. Is now pro. You succeed to get this for free. Make sure subscribe, hit bell icon, and watch my video. Thank you.